In the last lecture, we have seen how buyers and sellers come together through online trading software. Okay. Now, if I ask you to guess how much money is transacted per day through the share market, you being 10th standard students will not be able to guess also. Millions and millions of rupees are transacted through share market. There are so many people sitting in different parts of India and transacting online. Okay. And government realizes that from here, government can collect some tax. Okay. Government can collect tax. So government appoints one organization to collect the tax. Not only tax, I will tell you in detail also what it does. It collects the tax from all these transactions, GST from all these transactions, and the organization which collects or monitors all these transactions is called as Security Exchange Board of India. In short, it is called as SEBI. I have written SEBI. Okay, so SEBI mainly will collect the taxes from all transactions. But this is not the only thing which it does. It does lots of things. I am just telling you 2 or 3. One is collection of GST. Secondly, it decides which company will be listed in the share market. कौन सी कंपनी शेयर मार्केट में अपने शेयर्स बेच और खरीद सकती है. That will be decided according to some rules and regulations. That is called as listing of the company. Sometimes when the company is not performing well, it may not give returns to the shareholders. It is not worth listing in the share market. It will be delisted also. यानी शेयर मार्केट में कौन सी कंपनी लिस्टिंग होगी या नहीं वो दिखेगी, that will be decided by SEBI. Okay, so GST collection, listing and delisting. Secondly, some years back, some fraudsters, I have written their names, Harshad Mehta and second is Ketan Parekh. They siphoned the money of the investors. उन्होंने investors का खूब सारा पैसा लूट लिया. So, the SEBI also tries to protect the interest of the investors in the share market. अब उन्होंने क्यों करना चाहिए? लोग लगा रहे पैसा उडूबे. अरे जब ट्रांजैक्शन होगा तब तो गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स मिलेगा, isn't it? So SEBI also tries to monitor the interest. They protect the interest of the shareholders. Okay, so that is the third main thing, because there are so many market players and some cheat the investors. It happened in 1993. Okay, lots of 3,500 crores of scam was there. In terms of today, if I say, it will be around 25,000 crores. So people lost lot of money and lot of people lost their lives also. बहुत सारे लोगों का बहुत सारा पैसा डूबा और बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपनी जान भी गंवाई. So in order to protect people from all these frauds and scams, SEBI monitors the transactions. Okay, this is one thing. There are two main markets in India. One is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Second is NSE, National Stock Exchange. Both are situated in Bombay. All transactions take place online through internet. Okay. Now, whether the share market is really working well or not, that will be decided by a number called as a sensitive index. Sensitive index is a number. Okay, index means a number which will tell you कि शेयर मार्केट अच्छा काम कर रहा है कि बुरा काम कर रहा है. अगर वो नंबर ऊपर जाता है तो लोग पैसा कमा रहे हैं, नीचे आता है तो पैसा डूब रहा है. दिस इज अ broad meaning of that index. Okay, it is called as sensitive index because it is sensitive to market conditions, to the economy of the nation, to the GDP of the nation. Okay, so that is called as sensitive index. Similarly, to monitor the working of NSE, there is one number called as Nifty. It is based on the performance of 50 very good companies. Similarly, sensitive index also is based on some blue chip companies, on the performance of some very good companies. Okay, so these two are Sensex and Nifty are the two numbers which will give you the performance of BSE and NSE. Okay, BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE stands for National Stock Exchange.